folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I make a set of shelves for reDiscover Center.
Barb Makes Things!
It's almost time for summer camp at Tinkering School LA, so we are clearing space and reorganizing.
So what I'm gonna do is use some of the wood that we've got here that never gets used. I'm working on a set of shelves because we need one in the front studio, or we could use one. There's some really nice oak, like this stuff, that just never ever has gotten used, so I'm gonna use it for a shelf.
See this messy corner? It's hard to keep it organized because there's too many tools and materials for those little tables.
This is a cool trick if you haven't seen it before. If you want to cut two pieces of wood to be exact the same length, line the ends up, make them flush, make sure they're exactly aligned. Then hold them in place, pull down the blade, shift them over until the top piece just is at the edge of the blade. And then when you cut there, they'll both be exactly the same size. Perfect. Focus, please. Focus. Thank you. So now they are exactly the same size. Yay! We have this wood in the corner that tapers down. It's like 1.5 inches at this end and like 3 inches at this end. Hasn't been very useful for much, so I'm gonna use it now for the back of the shelf, holding the two sides steady apart. Yeah.
Gigantic clamps aren't really useful until they're really, really useful. This is one of those times.
All right, so I got the outside, the frame, all of that put together. This is oak. This is not a light thing. So I'm going to prep the shelves separately and bring the frame up front and then attach the shelves up there, because otherwise this is going to be a pain to move.
One of the tricks of this project, considering that I was using entirely scrap wood, was designing everything to match the stock we had. While it would have been really nice to make the whole thing with those donated oak planks, I had a limited amount. Just enough for all the uprights and a couple of slats on the shelves themselves. For the rest, I tried to get the weirdest, loneliest, most otherwise unhelpful pieces I could find. I don't remember what these triangles were originally cut for, but they were not going to be very useful for future projects. Into the shelves you go.
Cutting the lumber, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
I didn't want to do too much sanding because the variation in roughness is part of its charm, but there were a few spots and pokey edges that needed addressing. Small problem. I didn't take this power box into account when designing the shelves, and it makes the whole thing stick out farther than I'd like. That's okay. I'll just drop that bottom support to the ground and cut a hole in the back of the shelf. On the scroll saw. And now, all of our front room sewing and shrink plastic supplies have a home, plus clock parts and a little charging station for electric cardboard cutters. When next I see you, summer camp will have begun. It's the most tinkery time of the year. If you liked this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.